I dreamed a dream in times gone by, when hope was high and life worth living.
I dreamed that love would never die. I dreamed that God would be forgiving. Then I was young and unafraid, and dreams were made and used and wasted.
But the tigers come at night,
with their voices soft as thunder, as they tear you apart,
as they turn your dream to shade.
and still I dream he'll come to me, that we will live the years together.
But there are dreams that cannot be, and there are storms we cannot weather. I had a dream my life would be so different from this hell I live in.
So different now from what it seemed. Now life has killed the dream I dreamed.